Let us study about Rotate tool in GIMP. This is where you find the Rotate tool in the toolbox. We can rotate an image or a part of an image using the Rotate tool in GIMP. That is, we can rotate the image along the center point along the four quadrants, that is 360 degrees. Let us see how. Let us all try to rotate this image using the rotate tool in GIMP. For this, select the rotate tool here. This is the rotate tool. The shortcut key for rotate tool is Shift plus R. You can find it here. Shift plus R is the shortcut tool for rotate. Select it, click on the image and rotate it. You can rotate the complete image along a particular point. Complete 360-degree angle you can rotate your image. This is how you can rotate an image using rotate tool in GIMP. And click on rotate. So my image gets rotated. Thank you. Do subscribe and like my videos.